Stop scrolling. Do you really understand what Gen Z is saying in 2025? Words like delulu, riz, situationship. It's giving. They are everywhere. If you don't know them, you're basically living in 2010. Today, I'll explain the top 15 Gen Z slangs in 2025. Simple, fun, with examples. Stay till the end. I'll show you how to actually use these words in real life. All right, let's vibe.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to edutech, your daily English learning partner. Here, we make English simple, fun, and practical through real-life conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss your daily English lesson.
Delulu. It means being delusional, but in a funny way. Example 1. Your crush likes your story. You think they are in love. That's delulu. Example 2. You buy one lottery ticket and already plan your mansion. That's delulu. Example 3. You post one TikTok and expect to go viral overnight. Delulu energy. Example 4. Your team loses 10 games, but you say we're winning the finals. Big delulu. Riz. It means charisma or flirting skills. Example 1. Your friend flirts with the barista and gets free coffee. That's max riz. Example 2. You make someone laugh in 2 texts. That's W riz. Example 3. You compliment a stranger and they blush. Smooth riz. Example 4. You try a cheesy pickup line and get ignored. Elle rise. It's giving. This phrase is about vibes. Example 1. Your outfit looks perfect. It's giving main character energy. Example 2. Teacher's boring lecture. It's giving sleep paralysis. Example 3. That dinner setup? It's giving Pinterest aesthetic. Example 4. A friend shows a bad haircut. It's giving coconut. Main character energy. It means being confident, iconic, the star of the moment. Example 1. Walking slow with headphones on. Main character energy. Example 2. Posting selfies with sunlight hitting just right. Main character. Example 3. Entering a room and everyone stares. That's main character. Example 4. Ordering food for the whole group with confidence. Main character vibes. Situationship. Not dating. Not single. The in-between. Example 1. You text daily but no one says you're dating. Situationship. Example 2. You hang out on weekends, but never call it a date. Situationship. Example 3. You meet the family, but still say we're just talking. Situationship. Example 4. Months go by, no clarity, still stuck. That's messy situationship. Flex. Flex means showing off. Example 1. Buying iPhone 16. Flex. Example 2. Posting vacation pics in Maldives. Big flex. Example 3. Wearing Gucci belt to college. Flex. Example 4. Saying I don't study but still top the exam. Toxic flex. Low-key. Hikey. Low-key means secretly. Hikey means openly. Example 1. I low-key like that singer. Secret crush. Example 2. I high-key hate exams. Everyone knows. Example 3. Low-key. I'm nervous about tomorrow. Quiet truth. Example 4. High-key. I want pizza right now. Loud craving. Slay. Slay means doing something perfectly. Example 1. You nailed the presentation. You slayed. Example 2. That outfit? Absolute slay. Example 3. Singing on stage and the crowd cheers. Slay. Example 4. You cooked perfect pasta. Slay chef. Glow up. It means major transformation. Example 1. Ugly duckling in school, model later. Glow up. Example 2. Nerd kid becomes fitness influencer. Glow up. Example 3. Shy person becomes confident speaker. Glow up. Example 4. Bad skin clears up, new hairstyle. Glow up moment. Ghosting. Ghosting means disappearing without explanation. Example 1. You text, they vanish. Ghosted. Example 2. After 3 dates, no reply. Ghosting. Example 3. Online friend deletes account. Ghost. Example 4. Group chat, you send meme, nobody responds. Mini ghosting. Bet. Bet means okay. Sure. Let's do it. Example 1. Wanna grab food? Bet. Example 2. I'll beat you in this game. Bet. Example 3. You say see you tomorrow. They say bet. Confirmation. Example 4. Challenge accepted? Bet.
Thanks a lot for watching today's lesson on edutech. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Why? Because subscribing means you'll never miss a new daily English lesson. Each video is designed to help you speak confidently in real-life situations, at the supermarket, at the restaurant, at the airport, and so many more.